has been successful in preempting and preventing a possible subversive activity in Bengaluru city. And we have arrested 5 accused in this connection, from whom we have been able to recover or seize 7 country-made pistols, 45 live rounds, walkie-talkie sets, dagger, and 12 mobile sets. The preliminary information of the interrogation of these 5 accused who have been secured indicates that all these 5 persons, along with another person who is absconding and who is likely to be abroad now, they were involved in a murder case of 2017 in Bengaluru City Police Station. And when they were inside jail under their prisoners regarding this case, they came in contact with T. Nazir, one of the main accused in 2008 serial blast case. And T. Nazir seems to have radicalized these individuals, especially the one who is now absconding abroad. And the person who is presently abroad, he has activated this module and he has supplied these weapons and other equipments for the purpose of carrying out certain subversive activities in Bengaluru. Arrested in a case of murder of their rival, one Noor Ahmad, and total 21 accused were there in that case. Because in 2017 they kidnapped Noor and accused to death. Other 2 accomplices also get injured in that case. And they at that time these persons were inside jail for almost 18 months.
And what about this?
As of now, it is not established, but the interrogation is still on.
And what about the background, sir?
Background is they are all involved in certain criminal offences, and they are working in different petty kind of jobs.
And what about the person who is absconding? His background, sir?
He is basically from another area, and he is the main accused in 2017.
One second, sir.
Presently, he is like
ಸರ್ ಜುನೈದ್ನ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗದ ತೀರ್ಥಹಳ್ಳಿನ ಸರ್ ಜುನೈದ್
Sir,
ಹೌದು ಆ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ
Parapnagrana have come under the scanner, sir. Now, when we have somebody being radicalized inside the Parapnagrana, you really look at how to do some sort of sweep inside the prison to ensure that there are no more sleeper cells or people who could do something similar.
Sir, adding to that, even in the cooker blast case, even they were radicalized in Belagavi. One of the accused in Hyderabad terror case was imprisoned in Belagavi. He was the person who was radicalizing all those guys, Sharik and other
Inside
people
the prison.
in Belagavi. Do you think Belagavi prisons have become a safe haven for all the sleeper cells to radicalize the other terror accused?
Prisons are the place where all the criminals meet. So naturally, there is exchange of information, there is exchange of ideas and other things. And it is also possible that one person can influence others. You cannot control that person. But definitely, proper watch, observation, and whatever you say, sleeping and other things, they happen regularly. People conduct raids on the prisons and for possible communication devices. This activity goes on. But at the same time, we have also been successful in thwarting whatever such efforts are there from these